Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a demo account on Forex.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in Forex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Forex.com website. Now from the home page, if you use the home sign up function, then this will not create a demo account but a real one. So if you wish to create a demo account, hover over to the account section at the top and you will see the free demo account section. Just click on this and you will be taken to the sign up process from which you can open your demo account. Just type in your full name followed by your preferred email address. Then choose your home country and then enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity and then click on the submit button. You will then be given the username and password that you can use in order to log into your web platform. Click on log into web platform after you have copied your password that is provided. You can then simply enter the username that you have been provided followed by your password. Once you enter both of these details, click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity and then click on the login button. And now you will be logged into your demo account on Forex.com right away. And you can start making your trades in order to learn the ins and outs of the Forex.com trading platform, which you can use once you create your new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a demo account on Forex.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.